Come on. Ready, been to the one down the road. Come on. Come on. Puppy, come on. Lloydie. Lloydie. Come on. Come on. Look, hit this post. Almost there. Come on. Puppy, come on. Lloydie. Lloydie, come on. What are you fighting for? He's face palmed to the ground. Lloyd, what are you doing? Need water? Hey. Look at that, you've taken yourself in your lead. Alright, no, we're not going to another park. Let's go. Come on. Come on, gorgeous. Don't a cheeky grin at me. Look at that face. Look at that face. Lloydie, come on. Come on. Lloydie, we're not going to that park. No, we're going to walk back the other way. Okay, literally, there is the park down the street. And there is the street I live on. And we're at 9 minutes, or just over 9 minutes, trying to walk home with him, wanting to go to this park. Can we go, Lloydie? Up! Come on! No, we're not going to another park! Come on! This is all part of your plan to be carried home, isn't it? You've just peed on that post like a billion times. No! Oh my god, this is... Okay. You're up. Okay. Ugh. Look at this. Look at this little... What are you? Just so I can get back home. Oh, it can't be done now. Are you going to walk? Look at your face. No? You're ashamed, aren't you? Oh, look at that. No, look at that. The cheeky little grin. Cheeky little grin. You're going to walk now. Go on. Let's go. The last little bit. Yay. Good boy. You can make it. Go fresh inside. With your water and your treats. Come on. Giving up right here, are you? Really? Right here? Come on, let's try. Come on. Oh, you're so heavy. My little dog, you're so heavy. Oh, can't leave that. Mom hasn't come home yet. Okay. We made it in, didn't we, Lloydie? You got in the house. Sleepy now, aren't you? Look at the little tail wagging. Little water bowl. There it is. Yeah, that was not a good walk. Say bye. Say bye-bye. He's standing by with his little tail.